I'm here to tell you about the key features of the photovoltaic modules automatic production line developed by Hangzhou ConfirmWare technology company. This product is a perfect solution for turnkey solar modules manufacturing. The line is highly automated. With 140 megawatt production capacity, it requires only 13 single shift workers to operate. In basic configuration, the line consists of the following components: fully automatic high-speed stringer, laminator, automatic trimming machine, curing line, manual cleaning unit, several inspection units and testers, including electric luminescent current voltage characteristic curve, and hip pot testers, and various auxiliary units, such as rotation, conveying, and so on. Optional equipment is also available, including automatic glass, layup, bussing machines, and so on. By the customer requirements, we can customize the line, including plant layout, equipment deployment, and production and line planning, as well as making the line either semi or fully automatic. Design of our line is based on German engineering standards. Main parts and electrical components all come from well-known international brands, providing you with a high quality and stability product. Intelligent detection with auto alarm function will protect line's elements and ensure reliable operation. It's possible to connect testing components such as EL, HIPOT, and IV testers into one integrated control system with online operation. Stability during operation is our great concern, so in our machines we use servo monitors, ensuring high positioning accuracy and reliability. Well thought out and user-friendly interface makes the line easy and trouble-free to operate. Our installation and after-sales support teams will ensure quick and smooth line installation process, letting you rest assured of the stable operation. Established in 2005, our company is a high-tech enterprise specialising in manufacturing intelligent production equipment for solar industries. Our high-quality machinery and excellent customer service have been supporting various manufacturers from different regions of the world, including USA, Canada, India, Turkey, South Korea, Vietnam, and others. Like a well-oiled machine, our 10,000 square metre intelligent production workshop handles the manufacturing process with real-time monitoring and strict management and control systems. With all these factors in place, we ensure that all equipment orders are completed and delivered to your facility right on schedule.